Hey guys, so the blizzard has officially begun. Yesterday we were under a winter storm warning, and now today we are under a blizzard warning. Yes, they expanded the blizzard warning, and now it's for my location. And that means we have an even higher chance of seeing thunder snow here, which is what I'm most excited about. Talking we're gonna get really snowy and windy tonight. But we're talking about a lot of snow, at least 8 to 12 inches, and it's gonna get windy later. Yes, we will have a blizzard. And I'm pretty excited about that. As you can see, it's already starting to snow. It's already breezy out here too. Right now, we're not like in blizzard conditions. So right now, there cannot be thunder snow right now. Because first, the snow isn't heavy enough. In order for there to be thunder snow, the snow has to be really heavy. You can definitely see the snow, but it's still not heavy enough for thunder snow. You can see those trees blowing over there. In order for there to be thunder snow, there has to be like very heavy snow, and there's also like, though there will be significant instability that will create conditions favorable for thunder snow, and thunder snow is a high potential tonight, so I will probably stay awake for that. If not, I will definitely set up a camera to record in case I have school tomorrow. But I mean, I won't be going to school tomorrow. My school will be closed, but I could still have an online class that I need to be on. So, unless the power goes out and we don't have internet, so yeah, because the power outage is also another major possibility. Yeah, it's starting to get a little breezy out here, but this is just the beginning. I've been using this Canon ZR200 a lot. I only have like 6 minutes left on the tape, so I think I'm just gonna sit out here and record the rest of it. But yeah, here's what my weather forecast says. It says snow heavy at times, gusty winds will lead to blizzard conditions, north winds at 25 to 35 miles an hour, 8 to 12 inches of snow expected, winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles an hour. So it might actually be 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts. I think that's a possibility. But we'll have to see. Yeah, obviously right now there can't be thunder snow because, yeah, thunder snow is not really going to become a possibility until later tonight. Um, because obviously right now, like I said, it has to be like really heavy snow, and that appears what's gonna happen. Like for example, here's my forecast. It says blizzard warning, and this is what the radar is at 8:45 p.m. Very heavy snow. And because there's so much instability, this will create conditions favorable to thunder snow, favorable for thunder snow. And in case I use this camera, I am gonna put a new cassette in, and might actually record a whole cassette, a whole hour-long video. If there is a major snow event, which there is going to be. So for example, the HRRR model is showing the HRRR model is showing the heavy snow as well as some lightning flash density, but obviously the lightning flash density is going to be pretty low because thunder snow is typically highly localized. But due to the atmospheric instability, it's a high possibility tonight. Already seeing it get windy, and it's gonna blow snow here onto the porch. And yeah, that's pretty crazy. I'm excited. Yeah, there's obviously a lot of snow. As you can see though, it's not sticking to the ground. The ground is just wet. Alright, there's only like less than a minute left on this tape. It's 36 degrees, which is above freezing. So, right now it's 36 degrees. And because it's above freezing, the snow can't stick. So instead it's just going to lead to wet conditions. Oh, here comes like another wind gust. Hopefully I can get this last wind gust on video before the tape ends. So this is going to be the end of the video.